Asa lang yun.
He's always chasing after a dream.
Ethan, you are good at what you do, but you still have a lot to learn. That's why I'm sending you to a recorded office.
What?
She's waiting for the man of her dreams.
Hi, love. Day 165. Walang nagbago.
Ang ganda ni Lisa talaga doon sa akin.
Hindi siya pinigil pa natin. I love you.
When their paths cross,
Saan sa kayo nagsabi niyan sa Iloilo? Isang roro-boat lang yun.
Enjoy it.
Ikaw na naman?
Yun ang dalawa. Ang galing.
Ano?
Alex, she's the one. She's in high school to girl and she's perfect for my show.
he changed her every day.
Hoy, ano ginagawa mo?
I know you wanna do this, so come on, let's do this. That's what we'll sell, Audrey. Yan ang magugustuhan ng tao.
Pero hindi yun ang magugustuhan ni Tristan.
May sakit siya. And you have to make decisions to keep him alive.
And she changed him every day.
Oh, ready ka na?
Yes.
Pero yung natin kung sasabihin.
On my heart?
You want my heart?
Yes.
Yes. Mas nakita mo? Mahal ka niya.
Grabe talaga eh.
But when the day comes,
Tristan, naisip ka na pinsa. Hindi ka ito nalalaman.
Sayang, ang ganda yun dyan.
Mahal ko.
Nakakainis.
will she choose the man of her dreams?
Happy anniversary, love.
Happy anniversary.
I love you.
Or the man who makes her dreams come true?
I love you! I love you! I love you!
Oh, yan eh, long friend na.
Gerald Anderson, Liza Soberano,
Wala tayong
and
tulit.
Enrique Hill.
Wala tayong tulit. Wala tayong tulit.
Anniversary.
Every Day I Love You, directed by May Cruz Alviano.